Let's say I'm going to delete this step. I'm going to add that. Suppose your model has recognized like this all the columns. After importing the data into Power BI query model, a very basic step what you have to perform is you need to check the columns whether these columns are converted properly. Nowadays, Power BI will detect automatically almost 99% the column data types. If any one is missed, you need to go through manually and change that. So let's say now this Power Query model has detected 100%, but for to explain you, I have deleted that step, change data types. And one more thing, guys, if you delete any step from this query folder, you will not be able to get it back like a Control Z. You have to again redo it. So let's say this rank, we know that this is the number field, and also there is no decimal places in this column. So what you have to do, click on this ABC button and then select appropriate data type. So I'm going for whole number because there is no decimals to take the decimal number. It is not a currency format. It is a whole number and it is not a percentage, and also it is not a date and time. It is not a date. Going with whole number. Now see this ABC changed to 123. So 123 stands for whole number, and even the state and union territory, it is a text field. So ABC, it is properly identified, and this ABC is a text. Sorry, this is whole number, right? There is no decimal places. So I need to change this to whole number. So when you convert one data type to another, this will ask whether you want to insert a new step. If you click add new step, that will be recorded as one more step in the query folder. Now there are 4 steps. It will be added another step with the 5th one. So I'm going to replace the current one. Earlier this number was left aligned. Now it is right aligned. And again this is percentage. So let's go with the percentage data type. Since I have taken the percentage, it is already percentage. So it is going 1650, which is wrong. So what I have to do, I have to go with the decimal only here. That time it will be 16.5%. Again, male, whole number, female, whole number. Difference between male and female, and a whole number. Sex ratio is again whole number. Rural, it is also whole number. Urban, whole number. Area, whole number. Density per kilometers, this is also whole number. So this is how you can transform the data. You can see here there is an error. You can click on that error and see the data type is not able to identify. So what you have to do, you can eliminate all the errors. You can see this one, hyphen is there. Now if you look, this rank field has an error. So this green line did not come, means there is a problem with in this column. The problem we have identified in the source, that is due to this hyphen. In this data, we don't need this row at all. So I'm going to filter out that. Now the rank field is turned to green. Now we are good with this data. After doing all these actions, this is called data preparation actions. Once we prepare the data as needed for our dashboard, we can close and apply. This will load the data in Power BI model.